Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share my Scrappy kit and plans for September 2024. I'm sharing half of the material in this video, and the other half I shared the other day when I unboxed the Mercy Tiara Kit September release called Smile. That one was full of bright, beautiful colors, a lot of material from Chamel and Paige Evans, and you will find a link to that video in the description box below. Today's share includes muted nature tones with 2 collections and a page kit. I'm also going to show some new products from the September-December Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. So let's have a look. And the first collection I'm going to show you is 49 in Market's Color Swatch Willow collection. The color swatch collections from 49 in Market focus on one color, and this one focuses on greens. What I have is a 12 by 12 paper pack. So this comes with 10 pattern papers, 5 designs, so 2 of each, in addition to the cover sheet. And you can see the flip side of it is green, a beautiful paper, easy to use. I'm going to be flipping these papers 2 at a time because, again, 2 identical designs for each one that I'm sharing with you. One of them is a printed side and the flip side is a tone-on-tone. When I first bought this collection, I was worried I was going to find it boring because it was focusing kind of on one color, but now I'm actually really excited about using it, and I think it's going to be perfect for documenting some hiking photos from this past summer. You can see here I also have some neutrals. These are both from 49 in Market. I have ledger paper along with grid paper, and one side is like an off-white. The flip side is a brownish craft. Here are the embellishments to that collection. I have the 6 by 8 paper pack. This comes with 18 sheets of paper, 6 different designs. I think that's going to be great for matting photos. I also have an ephemera pack with 60 different pieces and a variety of sizes, great for layering. So great big pieces right down to little tiny tabs. This is a rub-on transfer sheet. There are 3 of them. They measure 6 by 12, so there's leaves, butterflies, words, all kinds of stuff there. I do love 49 in Market rub-ons. And this is the laser cut elements pack. So there are 4 sheets in here. These you punch out, but I've had them before from 49 in Market and they work really well. They're very intricate, but they punch out really well. And there's a nice variety of images in there. I do bring in some stuff from my stash. I have some alphas. So the first ones are from Simple Stories, the Vintage Cream collection. These ones are from Vicky Booten. They are chipboard alphas. And the tiny puffy green ones are from Pebbles. I have 2 twines, both from Stampin' Up, Garden Green and Berry Vanilla. I'm going to pack this away, and now I'm going to show you the next collection. A lot of this comes from Stampin' Up, and most of it from the Gone Fishing collection. This first collection of paper is called Let's Go Fishing. This one is discontinued, but most of the other products I'm going to share with you are still in the current catalogs. So this paper pack has 12 different pattern papers, 6 different designs, 2 of each. And you're going to notice as I flip through them 2 at a time, one side is very fishing themed, and the flip side is more general. I think these are going to go well for my nature photos that I want to document this month. Also, I do have some fishing photos as well. You're going to see at the end here, I do keep the back cover of this collection pack because on it, Stampin' Up! Lists all of the colors, and I find that particularly useful when I'm selecting inks and cardstocks. I am bringing in cardstock from my stash. That off-white is basil. The color is walnut cream. I think it looks well with all of those creams in this collection. And this is another pattern paper pack. This is in the current Stampin' Up! Catalog. It's called Country Woods, and I absolutely love it. So once again, there are 12 pattern papers, 6 of each design, so 2 of each. I find them absolutely beautiful. So there is a wide variety of colors, and they are all wood grains. First of all, I think it looks really nice with that fishing paper collection, but I also think they will work nicely on their own. And I think it's a great way of kind of stretching that fishing collection pack as well. I showed you the back side of it as well, the information sheet, which has all of the colors. I find that useful. Here are the tools. So I have the Gone Fishing collection. I have stamps along with dies. I find these dies particularly cool. I bought them last spring, but I haven't used them yet. These are available in the catalog as well. There's this giant tackle box and then smaller dies with fish and other little fishing related items. I'm going to show you that one of these fish can cut out the fish images on the paper. Now, obviously, there is a stamped image it can cut out as well, but I find it kind of fun that it can cut out the fish on the paper as well. The paper's not going to last forever, though, so I do need the stamps. I also have an embossing folder. It's got like a rope weave to it. And now I'm showing you some twine that is in the current catalog. It is the In Colors for 2023-2025. Here's some stuff from my stash. I have those same alphas from Simple Stories. I have some stitched frames from 49 in Market, 2 puffy navy alphas, one called Navy, which is from Jen Hadfield, the other from Joyful Notes, Pink Paisley. I'm going to tuck that away, and now I'm going to show you a page kit. This one, I created it with leftovers from the August release from Mercy Tiara Kits. It was called Sweet Summer. Most of what I'm showing you here comes from Carta Bella's Sunflower Summer Collection. I absolutely love this paper with the sunflowers on it. I think it was my favorite in that kit, and I didn't use it last month, so I hope I am going to be using it in September. I have white cardstock, oatmeal cardstock from Simple Stories. Here's some more paper from that Sunflower Summer Collection. You can see I have a dark green tone on tone. The flip side of that is like little baskets of sunflowers. And here are 2 more papers from that collection. I'm putting them in this page kit for the cut aparts. I think they will make great embellishments. I also have an ephemera pack, tags, and frames. So some of that's used up, but I have lots left. I also have some chipboard wordy bits there. Those are from Tim Holtz. They were part of that Sweet Summer collection from Mercy Tiara Kits last month. Those are alphas from my stash, Simple Stories from the Woods collection. The color is Hickory. I also have some enamel dots that I brought in from my stash. And here are a few tags. Those as well were from a past Mercy Tiara Kits collection. So basically I have a tag and a half along with a bit of twine. I'm going to tuck this away, and now I'm going to show you what I bought from the Stampin' Up! September-December mini catalog. I'm actually a demonstrator, so I was able to purchase this 1 month in advance. I only bought a few collections, but I thought I would show them to you. What I plan to do is the material I've already showed you. That's going to be for September, but this here is for the next few months. So from this Season of Elegance suite, I bought stamps, dies, and a paper pack. So first what I want to show you is the tools there. I'm setting up my paper, but I dig back into the tools. Here are trees, and I have tree dies. When Christmas material comes out, I always look for anything related to trees because I do like hiking and walking in the woods. So I find Christmas trees for me work year round. So I'm showing you the options there. The trees, you can cut out a shadow. You can also cut out a layering piece. There's also other bits in there as well, like little snowflakes. There's a little bow in there as well. But I really bought them for the trees. And of course, I have the stamps as well. Here's the paper pack. I find it quite interesting. So once again, 12 papers, 6 different designs, 2 of each. Basically, they're tone on tone with gold foil accents. So you can see one side has the gold accent and the flip side is just tone on tone with no gold accents. So you have kind of a green off-white, that cherry cobbler, and that blue, which is called Pretty Peacock, I think. So that's what I got from that collection. The other one, I bought quite a bit of it. It's called Reindeer Days, and I'm showing you what it looks like in the catalog. I'm also showing you that on the left-hand side, there's a bunch of ideas. And typically, this is a collection that's a bit cutesy for me, but when I looked at the ideas, I was kind of sold on it. That reindeer there that you can create with the dies is so, so cute. So what I want to do first is show you the stamps and dies. So that's the stamps that goes with this collection. Here are the dies. There's lots of little bits and pieces. There is that reindeer that you can create with 3 different layers. It's so, so cute. There's a round circle, I guess, to cut out a circle in a card with some branches around. I found quite interesting. There's reindeer and other bits and pieces as well. What I want to do right now is go through this paper pack. So this is quite busy for me. I like it, but I am going to have to mix it with some neutrals, along with maybe a bit of wood grain, something like that. It's also going to be fun for cards, I think. So I'm just showing you all of the pattern papers. So like the other Stampin' Up! Paper packs I showed you, there are 12 papers and 6 different designs, 2 of each, and I am showing you the flip sides as well. So very bright and colorful. So also in addition to these papers, I showed you the tools already. I also have some little embellishments as well. There are these little, I think they're like acrylic little round peppermints. They are super cute. And I also have the white and red twine. Now I'm just going back into the die set just to show you once again, you can cut out images in the paper. There is like a reindeer with a baby that you can cut out using a die. You can cut it out from the paper, but you can also stamp out the same image and cut it out as well. Here's another reindeer. It's kind of leaping through the air. Again, same thing. There is a stamp for it, but you can also cut it out from the paper. Here's the last collection I bought. It's from a mix and match collection that's in the catalog. I find this was a bit of a leap of faith for me. Basically, over the pages I'm just showing you there are paper packs, ephemera, cards, and envelopes, and all of it is made to create quick and easy projects, and they are all made to match. This is a bit new for me, and I decided to purchase 2 items, and to my delight, I'm really happy. So I'm showing you a card base and envelope collection. This comes with 9 card bases and 9 matching envelopes, 3 in each color. So Night of Navy, Garden Green, and Cherry Cobbler. They're really beautiful. And I also bought a specialty paper pack. So this comes with 3 12 by 12 papers, along with 3 12 by 12 punch-out sheets. I bought this because I was super curious, and for me, it seemed to be something new for Stampin' Up! I'm showing you both sides of the papers. My favorite is the first one I showed you with the green branches and the little red balls. Here are the cut apart sheets. So this one here has like a 12 by 12 strip along with some card fronts, I guess. And the next 2 sheets are punch out sheets with different kind of paperweight ephemera pieces. Now I was really skeptical about this, and you can see I punched one out already. They come out very, very easily, and there are no little white balls on them. So that made me happy. I'm going to punch out another little one here now. I think this will be fun for creating super quick and easy cards. Sometimes I like to do something that just requires a little bit less, I don't know, concentration. I'm just showing you how one of those pieces would look on a card. I could use my stamps, stamp myself a sentiment. Anyway, actually, I'm quite happy with it, and I actually ordered myself doubles of these. So I have another card set coming and another one of these paper packs coming. I'm just showing you right now that on all of those Stampin' Up! Papers from these Christmas collection, the colors are written in the back. So I went through my cardstock and just selected one of each. That way I know what I have on hand. When I go to create something with it, I know that I have a particular green in my stash. So that is it. I am so excited to be diving into new material. I love selecting material for monthly kits because it keeps me motivated. That's where I store my monthly kits and a large pop-in desk organizer I bought at Staples. There are 3 compartments. I store my papers in the back tier, each collection in its own giant baggie with its coordinating embellishments. In the front 2 tiers, I include alphas, enamel dots, twine, and other embellishments, anything that can be used with all of the collections. I also keep tools or anything bulky there. While talking about my September plans, I will sew still shots for each one of these collections. This month, I hope to do 4 layout process videos and a layout share on YouTube. I plan to play with the material that I shared a few days ago, my Mercy Tiara kit, and the material I shared in the first half of this video. That's my September material. The Stampin' Up! Christmas haul will be stored separately, and I will be playing with it over the next few months. As always, if you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon on YouTube. Bye-bye.